Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam, Leonardo, Tango.
On this video, we want to talk about how the leader will give space to the followers to do a beautiful embellishment.
Before we go to the video, make sure to subscribe, like, share, you know what to do to help us keep growing this channel that recently hit 20,000 subscribers thanks to you.
Woohoo! Okay, here we are at the dance floor. Let's show you just one case of position for embellishment. So he will lead us and give a space. I'm using this space in this case to the needle, extending the leg and walking with him to the next position. So what is the leader doing for me to have this freedom to do it?
So one thing very important for the leaders is that we need to give her space from the torso, yes? And you will see this from this angle. Can I go directly to front ocho so I can keep this angle? So here's the thing, front. Normally, we tend to start rotating the front ocho. In this case, without you moving leaders, lead her into another front step, tack, and I'm doing that with my rib cage moving a little bit and my shoulder blade pulling away, yes? Plus my intention. My intention is my face, basically. Look. One. And at this moment, leaders, we can cross behind to make it even nicer. And then once you see her leg out, then gently you can help her rotate from the other side. Tack. And pulling a little bit from the left. And from here we go. Pam, pam. One more time. 1 and 2. You can do it faster, of course. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. But it's important that she feels a sensation of going out with the leg before the rotation, not during the pivot.
Followers, how we interpret that. Always remember it's good to move with your legs first, not with your head.
Mm-hmm.
For these cases, for these beautiful moments. In this case, we are coming from the front ocho and I feel he's moving forward. So if I follow with the leg, I feel the lead like I will step here. That's my lead, like, oh, he wants me to step. But then when I extend the leg, he's rotating. So I know I can play with my leg here, have this space. And in this case, I'm doing the needle, the aguja embellishment. So keeping the leg straight. So I feel this. If I go with the head first, I will feel this and almost like falling into my step. So I can create the embellishment. So when you feel the lead from the leader, answer with your leg, with your foot first.
Yes.
So then you have a lot of space. See, I feel this opening. I use it right away. I feel he's opening the space. Boom, I use it. Then we'll see what to do. In this case, he's rotating. So I can use it for this and walk with him again. Very important. Go with the legs, feel the moment. Another thing the followers needs to do in this case is not rushing this.
Yeah.
Hips, rotation.
Please.
That's autopilot. Don't do that. If you get used to pivot by yourself, then you have no space ever to do an embellishment.
Even if he wants to give you the space, you won't have it.
Yeah. So we do the opposite. Opposite of that is keeping always your right side hips more open and delayed. So when he does normal ochos, I will do it this way. Look my right side. And then I go, okay, it's normal ocho. When he does embellishment lead, because I have this opening, it's easy to move the hips to that side, outside, to keep it open and move the leg. So it's easy to do the embellishment with a free leg. I create position. If the leader is not giving you position, still I can ask the leader, wait, my hip is open, you forcing me or giving me the position to go too fast, but I can do fast, keeping the timing with him. I will not stop the leader ever to alter the musicality that he decides to do, but I can be fast enough to open and close and go with his speed. Let's try that.
Yes.
So he does normal lead for ocho without embellishment. Normal lead. Because my hip is open, I can use it to keep the speed, but do the embellishment. See?
And also that it works as a gentle suggestion for the leaders to, hey, I need space because I want to play with my leg. Yeah, it's a suggestion. It's not like Miriam was saying, not stopping him, but it's a suggestion. And he might say, oh, she would like to do an embellishment. I will give her more time next time.
It's very important to communicate, respect each other, and don't force anyone to do anything. It's all invitation. All is a friendly moment to share together.
Yes.
Okay, once again, thanks for watching all the videos.
Thank you very much. Remember to like, subscribe to the channel. That is helping us a lot. And also make sure to check out our website, miriamleonardotango.com, for a lot of instructional videos.
We love being your tango teachers, and thank you very much.
Bye, take care, and we'll see you in the next one.